Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test Shopify checkout. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to test your checkout, you will need to simulate the checkout operation or the buy-in operation. So for that, we will need just to go to our uh, online store and click on it. And from there, we can click on View Store. By that, you will be able to interact with your own store. Otherwise, you can just simply hover on online store and click on this eye icon, and then it will automatically take you there. So after that, you will need just to go to the store. Make sure that you have already some checkouts that is enabled and configured for your store. So after going to the customizing page, we need to have our checkout and customer accounts that has been set up well. And after that, we can go to the store. And for example, we can go to any products, for example, this one. And from there, we can click on buy it now. Make sure that there is some quantity in your products page. So for example, going to the products, and for here, we can add in inventory some amount. So let's just add the amount available, and then we can come and refresh, and basically we can click on our product and click on buy it now, and basically it will take us to the checkout, and from here you can start testing your order or your checkout process. And for that, make sure that you have your payment gateway as bogus so you can start testing it with this method. So by using this as the payment gateway, you will be able to test your checkouts. And after adding all your informations and complete the order, you will receive a mail if your checkout has been successful or declined, depends on how it is being tested with you, this payment gateway. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.